Hey everyone and welcome. Today we are going to talk about a topic which is something truly transformative, the natural glow up. As we see term glow up everywhere, right? चाहे वो makeovers हो, filters हो या quick fixes हो. But what if I told you the most radiant lasting glow doesn't come from a bottle or a trend, but it comes from within. A natural glow up is about nurturing yourself from the inside out. It's about holistic well-being that makes your skin clearer, your eyes brighter, your energy levels are higher and most importantly make you feel incredible in your own skin. It's sustainable, it's authentic, and today I'm going to show you how to embark on this beautiful journey. We will cover the pillar of inner nourishments, like what things will help you to give inner nourishment, mindful movement, simple yet effective outer care that most of the time we all require. So stick around. The pillar number one is foundation, inner nourishment and hydration. Like building a house, we need a strong foundation, and for the natural glow, that foundation is built from the inside. So if we are talking about the inner nourishment, then let me introduce the power of whole foods, because your skin, hair and energy levels are direct reflections of what you eat. You should consume antioxidant powerhouses just like berries, which include strawberries, blueberries, amla and colorful veggies like carrots and beetroots. You can consider these fight-free radicals help to slow down the signs of aging, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Healthy fats are important for skin elasticity and hydration. Think avocados, nuts like almonds and walnuts, seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds and pumpkins are also very important for your skin. Gut health heroes. A happy gut means happy skin. Probiotic rich foods like yogurt and prebiotic foods like bananas and oats are considered as gut health heroes. And here's my additional tip is don't add these all healthy foods at the initial stage. Just start by adding one extra serving of vegetables to your lunch and dinner regularly, because small changes make a big impact. And after that, let's talk about hydration, which is your skin's best friend. This might sound basic, but its importance cannot be overstated. Water. Proper hydration is key for plump and glowing skin. It's important because water flushes out toxins, aids digestion, which directly impacts the skin and keeps your skin cells hydrated from the inside, also preventing dryness and dullness. How much do you need to take? Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters in a day. And here's my actionable tip is to keep a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and sip consistently. Also set reminders on your phone if needed. And after understanding the pillar number one, we will talk about the pillar number two, which is movement and mindfulness. A natural glow is not just about what you consume, it's also about how you move and manage your inner state. Like we can say, move your body and boost your glow. Exercise is a fantastic glow booster, we all know that. Because it increases blood flow, delivers oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. I am adding an actionable tip here that aims for at least 30 minutes of moderate movement. Most days of the week, even a 15-minute dance party in your living room also counts. So stress less, shine more, makes the mindfulness connections. Stress is a major glow killer because chronic stress triggers cortisol, which can lead to breakouts, dullness, and premature aging. Number one, mindfulness and meditation. Do 5 to 10 minutes of daily meditation or mindfulness can significantly reduce your stress. Second, quality sleep. This is non-negotiable. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. During sleep, your body repairs and regenerates cells, including skin cells. Number third, joyful hobbies. Make time for things that bring you joy and help you unwind. And here's some actionable tip you can do today is try a 5-minute guided meditation before bed tonight and also notice how you feel. Okay, so our pillar number two is over. Let's talk about the pillar number three, which is natural skincare and outer radiance. Here we will talk about the best ingredients to look for in your skincare and hair care products for visible results. First, we will talk about the skincare. Number one cleanser for gentle and effective cleansing. Skip harsh sulfates that strip your skin. Instead, look for products formulated with gentle surfactants like ceramides and glycolic acids. Number two, advanced toning for hydration and balance. Seek out toners with hyaluronic acid, glycerin, niacinamide, or phenol. Also, make sure the ingredients must balances with your skin type and concerns. Number three, moisturizing. Every skin needs hydration. Look for moisturizers that are packed with ingredients that support your skin barrier. Key players include ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and also make sure before choose a formulation, gel, lotion, and cream that suits your skin type. Number four, most important, sun protection. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, preferably SPF 50 every single day. I want to add an actionable skincare tip for all of you is this week identify one skin concern you want to address and research a product with a key active ingredient we discussed to target it. And also don't forget to do patch test before applying all over your face. Now come to the hair care section. For advanced hair growth health, look for serums or exfoliants with salicylic acid or glycolic acid. For scalp exfoliation that helps with growth and flackiness. Number 2, formulated gentle cleansing for hair. Avoid harsh sulfates. Always use shampoos that are free from sulfates and parabens. Number 3, conditioners or hair masks. For smooth and healthy looking hair, you need the best conditioner or hair mask. I personally prefer hair masks because they add intense shine and deep nourishment in your hair. While choosing a hair mask, always look for these key ingredients for the best results. Argan oil, keratin, coconut oil, shea butter, biotin, aloe vera, and vitamin E. You can consider all these ingredients in your hair mask. Okay, here's a point you all should remember is all the healthy food, exercise, and skincare in the world won't give you that true lasting glow if you don't start practicing self-love and building confidence from within. So make sure you nurture your inner happiness because real glow begins from the inside out. Okay, your radiant journey begins now. So there we have covered nourishing your body with whole foods and plenty of water, moving your body joyfully and managing stress with mindfulness and a good sleep, caring for your skin and hair with simple natural rituals, and most importantly, cultivating inner confidence. So mark my words, a natural glow up is not a destination. It's a beautiful practice of self-care. It's about falling in love with the process of becoming the best version of yourself. What's one small step you will take this week towards your natural glow? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content on holistic well-being and remember your most radiant self is waiting to shine. Go glow naturally.